Oh, these local-only days here on the Central Coast. I'm meteorologist Dave Hovde. Those of us who've lived here a long time, we know when the beaches clear out on a day that the sun comes out. It doesn't even matter if it's not 70 degrees. The beaches are always in the 60s, it seems. And take a look at that. Just nobody out there. Locals, 805 webcams. You can check out those cameras at 805webcams.com and at ksby.com. Temperatures in the interior close to 70 at the coast. Coastal valleys, lower 60s, beaches, lower 60s, mid 60s in San Luis, mid 60s for the South Coast, 70 in Santa Ynez. Now, the dew points are still kind of interesting because in the interior, dry enough to think about frost, but no frost advisory is in place tonight. Take a look at this. We've got the winds are onshore at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. There are no advisories, even though we've got some activity on the radar and we know that front's coming into our area. The problem is, I just showed you those dew points. When the numbers are low like that, we get those dew points in the 30s, that means the air is pretty dry. So this front won't have much to squeeze on. If the dew points are in the 50s or 60s, that's pretty moist air for us. We had a plan. We were going to show you Telluride, Colorado, this live camera. It stopped working here just a few minutes ago, but it's snowing right down there. And this is the cold air we saw the last couple of days. It's going out on the plains. Look at the severe weather now from central Wisconsin down into Kansas and Oklahoma. And you can see the contrast between the very cold air and the really warm air out on the plains. So again, we're going to see these temperatures dropping into the 40s and ultimately the 30s in the interior tonight. No frost advisory, but it's going to be awfully close. So if you have any concerns, take precautions again. So again, this front falls apart on arrival. It's the one that's on Saturday that's beginning to get us a little more excited about maybe a 1/10 to a 1/4 inch of rain with a 1/2 inch of rain up along the north coast. Then a ridge builds in to keep us quiet in the middle of next week. After that, it gets more interesting. So this is an outlook on rain potential. And really, it's just calling for Saturday to be light in the interior, 1/4 for some, and then maybe up to a 1/2 in the hills above the north coast. Okay, but what about beyond that? I've talked about this, that models just haven't been lining up and agreeing, but sometimes they'll get an idea. And the idea here is what might happen in that window between the 7th and the 12th. Models keep spinning up a big storm. Sometimes it's 300 miles west, sometimes it's east. But look at this one. Here it is on the Central Coast Monday, and you can see this big stream of moisture. An atmospheric river pointed our direction. We'll have to watch the development of that. Shows up in some models, sometimes it's missing, but could be our first significant system. Okay, there you go. Saturday, put raindrops in there. If it rains, it's going to be early in the day. It's not going to be washout all day. And again, it's not heavy rain. And then after that, we warm up. Election day looks fine. I know a lot of you mailed stuff, but if you are planning to go to the ballot box, please do so. Weather's not going to be the problem. We'll see you at 5.